Hello, welcome to YouTube channel Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
In this one, we are going to work in a very nice exercise for a couple doing sacada. Follower doing a forward ocho, leader doing a front sacada and rotating, of course.
Before we go into the video, remember to subscribe, like if you're enjoying it, and share with your friends.
Let's get to work. All right, let's start up with this exercise that we are going to be doing. We are doing a side step just to prepare organically the position we are going to do a voleo. Now, here's the thing. The main important thing is that we are going to lead her into forward ochos. Sacada and back. Again, sacada, rotation, and back. What are we doing here? We are creating a sacada, transferring her body weight, pulling, rotating all the way around with our step, and stepping back to reset the figure. 1 and 2, 3. Yes? So things that to consider with this exercise and why it is important.
For the follower, it's very important to go with the leg first. So after this low voleo, I'm extending the leg, but I'm not rushing the moment. I'm not going by myself. Just extensions on the front and back leg. So I will not collect right away, see, because I crash with his leg. So I will feel the front position, transfer body weight, extend the leg in the back, waiting, going 2 feet together, and again feel this move only with my foot out, but not really the torso moving yet. Again, extension on the back leg, and then I feel the lead to collect, feet together, and extend again the left leg. Always point, following him on each direction, extension, back, delay the move on the back to create nicer lines for your body. Front, extension, pivot, front, extension, pivot.
Good. For the leader, when we are doing this exercise, it is important to lead the follower first and then we move. I will even exaggerate this position a little bit. Side step to back voleo, right? So this is just to initiate. It's not so important for the exercise. Now, here's the thing. Now, 1. Do you notice that I'm lowering and using the power of my shoulder blade to guide the position? So she can be on her own axis. Still, she can be on her own axis. Now, we need to transfer her position. And do you notice that I just pivot, but I didn't even put weight on this one? Why is important? Because most of the leaders, we think, I will do a sacada, and the sacada includes transferring weight. This is not good. Tac. I was exaggerating, of course.
Pushing her away.
Yes.
Pushing the follower away.
Yes. So here's the thing. Finish her transferring her body weight. We can pivot, still pivot, and then surround her with your side all the way around. Tac, tac. Yes. We can take back a step using my right shoulder blade, inviting her. And again, rotate, close embrace, and I will use down and pulling. And pulling. Tac, tac. Of course, we have to pass by feet together. 1 feet together, back rotation. Every time you can reset and close embrace. Do it even a little closer embrace if you want. Tac, tac. Same thing. Very, very close embrace, respecting each other's axis. Or as an exercise, even more open embrace is still fine. Tac, tac, tac. And that's why it's very, very important. We would like to mention that we have our own line of tango pants and tango skirts. Tango skirt, Splendida, Miriam's line.
This is Splendida. Tango skirt with the slit on the right side. Very comfortable. This one is a jean, blue jeans. And it's actually very stretchy. It's not real jean, but it's very, if you see it, it looks like jean, the pattern, the design, but it's very stretchy and you can move on it very, very, very easy. And we have a little move in the back and the slit on the right side.
For the leaders, we have the tango pants, tango dapper, and we have all of our line of pants has the high waist with the little pleats here, and it's a little wider as Argentine Tango style is. And you can find it all in our website, MiriamLeonardoTango.com. Miriam's skirt, our own pants, also suits, all made for tango in a huge variety of colors.
Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for watching the videos. We love to be your tango teachers.
Bye.